jerky get her face.
Oh my god. What are those, atomic wings?
They're triple atomic.
They're triple atomic?
Chew them outpost. It's not nice.
Spit it out. Best done.
No $100 for you.
Get it out. Get a drink of milk while you're chewing it. Milk.
Slow. Give her ice cream. Sons of bitches are hot, face.
You're jerking it like a baby.
Go put this up and go get me a new spoon. Oreo licked off that.
Why don't you try one, Sissy?
I'll try a little bite.
Go ahead, sis.
Next to that tree. Where's the fork at? Oh.
Here, hold on.
What happened to my spoon?
So bad.
What happened to my spoon?
Now it's Audrey. Oh my gosh. Sorry, Mom.
Thanks.
Oh, those things smell.
Yeah, they smell.
I need a smaller bite.
That is a small bite.
Smaller. That just
Guys, my
smells
mouth used to hurt this bad.
Yeah.
You better let Audrey have a drink.
Yeah, Paige. There's the small bite.
No, you can take a little bit bigger bite.
Just eat that piece I cut. Right there, sis. Just eat that piece.
Ooh, there's
You can handle some.
there's shit floating in the milk.
These motherfuckers can't be that bad.
Attack of the hot wings.
They're not as bad as the ones that I had. The ones I had before.
That's what you said the first one. Go ahead and get another one there, babe.
No, that's alright.
Dad, my mouth
That's
is like
been
hurting so bad.
Eat your ice cream.
Now I want to try some.
Try it.
Try a bite.
Well,
I think I need a little bite.
So when she got to clean that truck?
Can you clean this for me? I'm gonna cut it.
oh, you want a little piece too?
I'll take the other half of it. And then you're next.
I know better.
Like
She's a smart one.
okay, half of it.
That's not so bad, is it?
Now you try to.
She did.
Do it a second.
Give it a second, she said.
Then it lights are on fire.
What the heck?
There's backwash.
Oh, there's little stuff in here.
That's one for me.
She says I do want to drink though.
I got some baloney, but that is not.
Tiffany, you want none of that milk?